Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another video, and today's video is going to be another vlog. And if you guys are wondering why am I so decked up and why is this background looking so nice, is because I'm about to film a sit down video. So yeah guys, I just got ready and I'm going to be filming a sit down video after a very long time, where I'm going to talk about my proposal slash engagement. I think that video would be up before this one goes live, so I am just prepping, sitting down, looking at my background, and just having my setup got ready. It's still very cold and I do plan to head out today because I've been stuck at home for last 3 days and I do not like that. I would love to go out, but the cold weather is just making me shiver. But I'm still gonna try and go out today, and that's one of the reasons why I'm vlogging, because whenever I'm vlogging I'm just motivated to do things that I would generally not do. Yeah, coming back to the vlog, this is what I've done today. I've done my makeup, I'm sitting down to film a video, all dressed up. I'm wearing my pajamas obviously because real life, and also that is my mess right now. I was doing my makeup there and I have my bag and everything. So yeah, my room is a mess, but I'm happy. I'm just going to film the video. I think you will see this vlog after the engagement video, so I can probably link it down or somewhere on the screen in case you guys haven't watched it and you're new to the channel. So this is like my setup. I have my laptop, I have this microphone that I use to film like the sit down videos because I feel like this makes my voice so much better. And yeah, and I have my notes. I'll talk to you guys after the video is filmed. Just got done filming the video and I just had to speak a lot in that. Speaking for like 30 minutes. I hope I can cut it down to like 15 minutes something. I really hope I can cut it down. Now I'm just going to chill for some time. It's still 12:30 and I'm planning to go out around 1:30ish, around that time. So I think I'm just gonna chill for some time and clean the mess that I've created since morning, and also just change into a little bit comfy clothes. I am going to get all packed up for when I'm going outside because it's still -6, -4 degree outside, so I just need to be all packed up. Okay guys, let's get ready. And the first thing is I really want to wear this puffer jacket. This is from Zara. I got it a couple of years back. It's super warm and I think this would be, I want this to be like the focus of my outfit. And I'm thinking of pairing this scarf along with it. I don't know yet. Let me see the temperature. So it's actually 0 degrees outside and it's going to be -1, -2 today. So yeah, I do need to bundle up. So I have these stockings which are like quite warm, woolen stockings that I'm gonna wear on top of my denims. I have my black denims here. Quite warm now. Feels so good. Which is quite warm, but I don't know if I'm gonna take this because it's bulky. And my jacket. The jacket looks good and very cozy. Not sure about the scarf still. I'm still not sure about the scarf situation, but I'm gonna carry this tote with me, and I'm also gonna carry my cap because I need this to feel a little bit warm, and also my gloves because it's cold. And yeah, with this I'm all ready to go, and let's get going. Agar main gir gayi na, it's going to be very funny because it's all snowy. So I decided to not take the scarf because I thought it was too much. It's a high neck, so I think it's okay. And just walking to the train station. It's like 8 minutes walks from my place, and then I'll just take the train and go to Primark first, and then I'm planning to go to Marshalls or TJ Maxx. And I also want to go to Trader Joe's, but I don't think I can cover that much today. All like covered in snow. I don't know how much you can see. So yeah.
This is downtown crossing.
So I came to Taco Bell straight away because I got so hungry on the train ride, and I haven't eaten anything good since morning. So Taco Bell to have something. I'm eating a taco with cinnamon delight.
그때는 아무것도 아니었던 추억 얘기 얼마 전 새삼스레진 한 속마음 얘기도 이제 나 슬쩍 답장 한번 해볼게요. 낡은 서랍을 쳐다봐 수북히 쌓아둔 이야기들 혼자서 추억을 가진 것만 같아도 이대로는 조금의 손에
Let's go home.
내 모습들과
So I'm back home. It's been few hours since I've been home. I've just been on the phone talking to my family and friends and everyone who's calling to catch up. I was supposed to work on few things. I was also supposed to make my video go live, but I don't know, I'm just so tired. I just don't even want to wash my face, which I should and I will. But yeah, I think I'm just gonna sleep and just, you know, not do anything. I'm also kind of hungry, but I should not have food like this late. It's almost 11 p.m. and even though I had that coffee, I'm tired, but my mind is not tired. You know what I mean? Like, I'm just so exhausted, but I'm like, I don't want to sleep. But now I think I'm just going to go back to chilling and resting, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.
무심코 하나 둘 여러 마음 담을게 아직은 웃고도 서투지만 사랑 얘기 어색한 이야기가 오고 갔던 사람 얘기 지나간 시간 속에 홀로 나
I've been so dehydrated, like my skin is breaking out, so I'm just, you know, drinking as much water as I can. And then I chugged some water because my skin has been breaking out and it's just been so bad. Like, I have zits all over. I don't know why this is happening. I don't think I've changed anything as such right now, but yeah, I just need to focus more on my skincare because I haven't done like a good skincare in a long time. So I just thought, you know, today Sunday is going to be like a much relaxed self-care day, so I'm going to do some skincare. This is like a rose skin toner that it just has very minimal ingredients. It just has like rose extract and mandarin oil and just oil, nothing, no chemicals. This is very refreshing, you guys. I love this. I've been using it a lot ever since I got it from India. So, and then I'm going to use my very favorite mask of Magnum face mask from Lush. I'm so sad that this is almost over. I got it last year and I've been using it quite regularly. Actually, this is the only face mask that I've been applying very regularly on my skin, and it's a little bit dry now because I'm just going to apply it with my hands. It smells incredible. And so yeah guys, this week was so gloomy. Like, it was snowing, raining, and you know, we had like a storm warning, and today it's actually very bright and sunny, and that's why I'm in a better mood to vlog. So yeah, I'm also going to oil my hair in some time and just keep it on for like 30 minutes before I wash it off. I also have laundry that needs to be taken care of. So I'm all showered up. My face mask felt so good on the skin after a long time. So I thought of doing my skincare with you all, like a super quick and easy 3-step skincare. First, I have this Body Shop CBD moisture replenishing cream that I'm going to apply on my under eye. Did you guys know under eye creams are basically a scam? You don't need to spend like money on under eye cream until unless you know you're getting it for a particular purpose, like retinol and everything, anti-aging ones. But if you're just buying under eye cream for the moisture, you can just use any cream for your under eyes. Use these fingers and just gently massage it under my eyes. So yeah, I just took the longest shower. For Sundays, shower are a luxury actually. And yeah, yesterday was a Saturday and I spent the whole day cleaning my room. Like, I deep cleaned everything, like bed, like under the bed, and every nook and corner, closets, everything was super clean, and mopped the floors and dusting and everything. So, and it, for some reason, it just made me so happy. Like, you know, even though it's not spring right now, I don't know where spring is, it just feels like winter here, but it just felt like I did something for the spring cleaning. I'm thinking of filming a spring cleaning video also, like maybe like in end of March I'll film it, so maybe I'll upload it in April. Yes, I'm going to use the YBP plant remedy oil. This is a elixir for my skin. I used to use it when I had when I was on retinol Accutane, and this was the only thing that I applied on my face after I was done with my retinol. So this is like so good. It smells amazing and everyone raves about this product, and honestly I love it. Like, I had never thought in my life that I would be a person who would have who would apply oil on their face, but this is amazing. Like, for winters, this just makes my skin feel so nourishing and so soft and hydrated. Like, I'm just going to massage this oil all over my face and my neck because that is also very important. I don't really use it every day, maybe like twice or thrice a week.